Come tour the Automotive Museum, voted #1 in the world, Philadelphia's own Simeone Foundation Automotive Museum.
The museum captures the spirit of competition. See over 75 historically significant cars, including the 1964 Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe and the 1937 Alfa Romeo 8C, thought of as the most beautiful car in history. The car of your dreams is here among the world's greatest collection of racing sports cars at Simeone Automotive Museum, 6825 Norwich Drive, just off I-95 near the airport. Reserve tickets at SimeoneMuseum.org or purchase on site. Mention Philly Vision for a complimentary full-color program.
Visitors to the Simeone Museum can feel safe. Plenty of room for social distancing. Hand sanitizer is provided and masks are required.